A quick overview of setting up backface culling in Blender 5 and above. So we have a very basic material assigned to our object. Take a quick look in shading. So it's just got a diffuse, a normal map node, BSDF, material, output. So that gives us our basic material. So to enable backface culling, we need to add input geometry. The options may differ in terms of where they are for Blender 5.0 compared to earlier versions because they've reorganized the menu. So we'll drop that in place, geometry. To this, we also need to add shader, mix shader. And also add shader transparent BSDF. And drop that into place. So what we're basically going to do is create two groups and then mix them together and connect that to the output. So mix shader, transparent BSDF, and our geometry node. Let's go into full screen for this. Shader, surface, BSDF, shader input. So that'll give us the standard material. And then what we want to do here is link up BSDF to shader. So it's going to go slightly transparent. But then we want to control the transparency with the geometry node connecting backface as our factor. Backface, factor. So that has backface culled, but it's culled the front face rather than the back face. So we can do one of two things. We can either swap the nodes around. So there's our back face. Let's just enable wireframe so that we can see what we're doing. Or alternatively, in edit mode, we could select all, mesh, normals, flip, and it'll basically do the reordering for us. So we can either swap the nodes, flip the faces. But that is it. That's all we need to do for backface culling. So there's our material setup. So it's a basic material, diffuse, normal map node, principled BSDF. We connect that to a mix, use transparent, connect that to mix, and the geometry node controls the behavior of these two groups. And it's mixed through the mix shader into our material output. So that's your setup for Blender 5.0 and above. So backface culling does work in cycles, same way that it always does or has done in previous versions. So 4.5 LTS does exactly the same thing. So although we were in material preview whilst setting the material up, if we switch to render mode, we'll see backface culling within cycles render.